Today's question is, which one you like the best? Cooked chicken, fried chicken, or baked chicken? In the comments, let me know which one you like the best. Today's eyeshadow look is a bingo with the color pop X's and O's. I am doing color eyeshadow look. I hope that you watch the video all the way to the end, or at least listen to the video all the way to the end. I appreciate it very much. It helps my little YouTube channel to grow when the video is watched completely. I know this happens to you. It does. It does. If you tell me no, you're not human and you're not on this planet. It does. You wake up, you clean, you dust, you mop, you sweep, you wash the dishes, you clean the kitchen, the stove, the counter, you name it, every part of your house. You do your chores and your housework. And it feels good. You sit back, you relax, you do other things, and then you come to the kitchen and there are dirty dishes in it. How does that make you feel? You know you just did it, and it's not you, and everybody is old enough to do it. Then you go and the mirror is dirty. You just cleaned it, but it's dirty. Shower, you scrub it down, take your time, do it, everything. Later on, or next day you come and it's in a mess. It's like, I know I cleaned it. And I felt good cleaning it because I love cleanliness. And kapoof, here it is. It's dirty. And everybody is able to do the job. How does that make you feel? Me, it makes me feel angry. I look at it and I was like, really? No way. No, it's not possible. It can't be. That's how I act to it. So tell me what that does to you when you have done everything and clean everything nice and pretty, and then when you turn around, somebody dirties it but did not clean it. Does that make your blood boil? So let me know. Today, the thought that came to mind is, my mom used to say, it is not everyone that smiles with you is your friend or have your best interest in mind. So pay attention to their words and their actions, because if they are not real, the pretend game will come to an end and you will see who they really, really are. Because you can only pretend to be somebody else and something you are not for so long, and then the true you will come through. Watch people, watch their intent, watch their actions, watch what they say and how they say it. Pay attention to the details. We all want to make friends. We are all reaching out to other people, but we have to pay attention to the person who is being friendly, being an acquaintance, be it a long-time friendship, we don't know until we make that connection. But while having that connection, pay attention to the details and the actions. Today's inspirational, encouraging, motivational words says, when we begin to take our failures non-seriously, it means we are ceasing to be afraid of them. It is our immense importance to learn to laugh at ourselves. These words were spoken by Catherine Mansfield. I do that often. I stand in the mirror like I'm standing right now. I look at myself, I make funny faces, I dance, I sing, I laugh. I talk to myself, my higher self, my inner self, and I just look at myself sometimes in the mirror, deep into my eyes, and ask myself questions like, are you on the right path? Are you doing the right thing? Are you in the right space? What is your mind saying? What is your heart saying? And sometimes I just stand there and I just gaze at myself and I'll say, oh, I am so beautiful. I am precious. I am thankful to be alive today. I am breathing the breath of life. I can see. Yes, I have glasses, but I appreciate that I do have the glasses because at least I have the glasses. I just talk to myself, and I do that often. Sometimes I'm not in the mirror, but I'll sit and I'll talk to myself. I will praise myself. I am not waiting for somebody to praise me. I will praise myself. When somebody praises me, I appreciate it very much and I'm thankful. But in the meantime, I am doing it for me. So please take a second and be thankful for you. Just being you. And praise yourself. Praise yourself because you can do it to you. Don't wait for anybody else. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and go ahead and live a fabulous life. Enjoy it to the fullest. Life is short. Enjoy it. Again, today's question is, which one you like the best? Cook chicken, fry chicken, or bake chicken? Bye.